ka. Akin galay ta di ka na makadlaw. May isang nga aldaw nga inta nagsabat. Ake-pa unay na ito'y riknak. Kikinik-kinik ba ito'y panagnak. Tatlong mapansin pintas na ito'y langat. Ay naman ang puno marik ng lakuma. Nirik-rik na ek itang agdama. Nabayag idin nga paspasyukan ka. Akin galay ta di ka na makadlaw. Tuwi-tuwi ay paswi-paswi. Ayat ko anasam ni manong ko nga tumutuwi-tuwi. Anay ko, di ka unay tapatong ko. Nabarandilias na piyas manong ko. Ay naman ang puno marik ng lakuma. Hirik-rik na ek itang agdama. Nabayag idin nga paspasasyan ka. Akin galay ta di ka na makadlaw. May isang nga daw nga ita nagsabat. Ake-pa unay na ito'y riknak. Kikinik-kinik pa ito'y panagnak. Tatlong mapansin pintas na ito'y langat. Tuwit-tuwit ay paswi-paswi. Ayat ko anasam ni manong ko nga tumutuwi-tuwi. Anay ko, di ka unay tapatong ko. Nabarandilias na piyas manong ko. Tuwi-tuwi ay paswi-paswi. Ayat ko anasam ni manong ko nga tumutuwi-tuwi. Anay ko, di ka unay tapatong ko. Nabarandilias na piyas manong ko. I want it big diamond and rubies too. But now that I have you, I'd rather have you. I want it to my door with everything new. And now that I have it, I'd rather have you. The kisses from your lips was sweeter than wine. The love that you gave me was something so fine. I gave up my riches and reached mine too. But now that I have them, I'd rather have you. The kisses from your lips was sweeter than wine. The love that you gave me was something so fine. I gave up my riches and reached mine too. 'Cause now that I have them, I'd rather have you. 'Cause now that I have them, I'd Mr. Love, will I find him tomorrow? Do your best, Mr. Love, I'll be waiting till then. Don't you know, Mr. Love, I can take all this sorrow. So if you have the time, he'll be mine once again. Please, 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 Mr. Love, where is the boy that I'm dreaming of? Please, 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 Mr. Love, bring him back home to me. Yesterday was so fine, he'd been walking beside me, and he said he'll be mine till the day we both die. But he left me last night, and my heart broke inside me. I was feeling so sad that I broke down and cried. Please, 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 Mr. Love, where is the boy that I'm dreaming of? Please, 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 Mr. Love, bring him back home to me. Say you help me tonight, 'cause I'm feeling so lonely. Now I'm down on my knees, help me please, Mr. Love. Please, 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 Mr. Love, where is the boy that I'm dreaming of? Please, 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 Mr. Love, bring him back home to me. Please, 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 Mr. Love, where is the boy that I'm dreaming of? Please, 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 Mr. Love, bring him back home to me. Bring him back home to me. Tra-la-la, diddle-dee-dee, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's trill. Tra-la-la, diddle-dee-dee, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome as the flowers on the mockingbird's hill. When the sun in the morning peeps over the hill and kisses the roses round my windowsill, then my heart fills with gladness when I hear the trill of the birds in a treetops on the mockingbird's hill. Tra-la-la, diddle-dee-dee, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's trill. Tra-la-la, diddle-dee-dee, there's peace flower.